So you used to be a top producer and you're wondering, how do you get back to having the type of business you used to have? So first, let me ask you a question. What are you doing? How are you starting your day? What is your business strategy? And what do I mean by strategy? What are you doing to generate leads? What are you doing to get people to know you, like you, and trust you? Are you doing the things that traditional agents are doing, or are you thinking outside of the box, right? So one of the things that most agents do is they're constantly chasing business all the time, right? They're doing things like open houses and cold calling and door knocking and constantly bothering their sphere of influence. But as soon as they stop doing that, as soon as they stop chasing those leads, everything in their business changes, right? So we wanted to talk to you about attracting business. How do you pull business towards you instead of constantly always chasing business? And this is what you can do to become a top producer again. And that is start being known. You want to make it to where everywhere you go, people know who you are. Not just your family, not just your friends, not just your sphere of influence, but everyone. So how do I do that? Well, you want to become known as what I call the community market leader in your area. That means anytime anybody thinks about real estate or thinks about their community, they think about you. Well, how do you do that? You start producing content. Anytime you go anywhere, you're producing content, a content about the market, content about real estate, content about the community, content about what you're eating for lunch, anything and everything that you can think about regarding real estate, regarding community, regarding the market, regarding what's happening locally and nationally, regarding real estate and anything community related. You want to be the go-to trusted resource that's taking that information and reporting it back to your community. So think about what's happening. Is there anything that's like controversial, anything prolific happening? You want to be the person telling the community about that using video content. Are you wanting a kickstart on your business and you want to learn how to be the go-to professional in your industry? Well, guess what? I've got a free challenge for you. It's 5 days of coaching. It's brand new. Just go to KristaMashore.com/client conversion. That's KristaMashore.com/client conversion. And you'll get a free training with me for 5 straight days that's going to help kickstart you as the go-to professional in your industry. So sign up and I'll see you there. And you need to make sure that you're doing it correctly and consistently all the time. So that is the best way for you to become the top producer again. We teach this strategy to agents across the country who are brand new in the industry or who have moved to a brand new area and they don't know anybody. Within 12 months, they are beating out top producers because they are different, they're unique, they're known, they're seen, they're heard. In order for you to be known, you've got to be seen, you've got to be heard. By the masses, not just by your friends and family, right? So if you want to start being that top producing agent again, you've got to start creating content consistently and making sure you're distributing it the right way so that people are actually seeing it, right? And so obviously you're gonna have to have systems and processes in place once that you start doing that. That's a whole other video, but that would be my suggestion to you. So if you'd like this information, do me a favor and turn on your notifications and make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.